Research conducted at University College London revealed only 30% of relationships last more than 1 year. It's said that the experience of love can impact the brain's ability for rational judgment, leaving us vulnerable to overlooking warning signs. Love, it seems, can make us blind. This research underscores the significance of navigating the early stages of relationships. How can we make decisions to safeguard our long-term happiness and relationship stability? How do we select the right partner and defy the odds? Let's explore these questions in today's video. Before we get into it, here at Relationship Remedy, we delve into all aspects of relationships. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And for more relationship-based content, be sure to subscribe and check out our channel. The notion that love blinds us isn't merely poetic, it's backed by science. As we tumble into love, our brains undergo a type of transformation in areas linked to pleasure and reward. A surge of neurotransmitters like dopamine and oxytocin floods our system, inducing a euphoric state like being head over heels in love. These neurotransmitters contribute to love's blindness, causing us to overlook or minimize our partner's imperfections. It's almost as though our brains are too intoxicated by these pleasure-inducing substances to perceive reality clearly. These chemicals can also create a distorted image of our partners that often fails to align with reality. So when the veil is lifted and we glimpse the true essence of our partner, it can lead to disappointment. So how can we navigate these obstacles? Let's explore strategies for making wiser choices early on to prevent future letdowns and foster a healthy, enduring relationship. Step 1. Ask yourself, what do we actually have in common? According to Sternberg's triangular theory of love, love consists of 3 components: intimacy, passion, and commitment. Passion or infatuation, especially in the initial stage of a relationship, can cause us to focus on immediate attraction rather than long-term compatibility. While attraction is important, it's only one aspect of love according to Sternberg's theory. It's just as important to ensure you share common values and goals. Compatibility, which encompasses intimacy and commitment, plays a crucial role in sustaining long-term relationships. Step 2. Consider how well do you really know yourself. Understanding yourself, particularly your personality traits, is crucial in finding a compatible partner. Trait theory suggests that self-awareness aids in identifying compatible partners. By gaining insight into your own personality traits, you can better identify partners who complement you. To help you understand this, write a list of your strengths and weaknesses. Now do the same for your partner and ask yourself, do they really complement each other? Step 3. Are you subconsciously scared of being alone? Genetically, we are programmed to strive for a sense of security in the face of existential fears, such as the fear of loneliness and death, according to terror management theory. This could mean that we essentially choose a partner out of fear of being alone as a defense mechanism, rather than from a place of love. It can be hard to let go of this, and as a result, we may even know our relationship or partner isn't working for us, but we choose to ignore it or live with it. To help overcome this, develop a sense of self-reliance by investing in your personal growth, hobbies, and social connections outside of romantic relationships. Building a fulfilling life on your terms can reduce the fear of being alone and decrease dependency on a partner for validation or security. Step 4. How would you rate communication in your relationship? In the early stages of the relationship, it's important to cultivate an environment of openness, where both parties feel comfortable expressing their innermost thoughts, feelings, and concerns. A widely recommended tool to do this is called active listening. This involves finding a distraction-free, comfortable environment. The speaker is encouraged to speak their mind, getting things off their chest about their wants and needs within the relationship, while the listener must give their full attention, maintain eye contact, and acknowledge the speaker's perspective without interrupting. The topics covered and points made should be reflected to ensure understanding and to validate the speaker's feelings. The roles should then be switched between the talker and the listener. Navigating love's journey, especially when clouded by infatuation, poses challenges. However, by exercising patience, fostering self-awareness, and prioritizing open communication, you can pave the way for a resilient and fulfilling partnership. Patience allows for natural relationship progression, avoiding hasty commitments fueled by infatuation. Understand that addressing these issues early through honest dialogue and seeking resolutions can prevent bigger problems later on. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you have any tips you want to share to help navigate relationships in the beginning? Let us know in the comments section. And remember, if you found today's video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing, and check out our channel for more relationship-based content. Thanks for watching.